Okay, next question is my payment schedule. So if it is a project that is over $5,000, then the payment schedule is in thirds. Basically, what that means is the start of the project, I will take a third of the payment down, and then about halfway through the project, I'll take the next third, and upon completion, I'll take the final third of the overall cost, and that's anything that's over $5,000. If it's under $5,000, the payment schedule is set up a little bit differently. Typically, I'll take payment on completion of that job if it's under $5,000. And then if it's a small handyman job, then obviously it's always on completion. So, you know, if it's a few $100 ticket, then that is paid that day. Either check or cash is fine too. I do try to avoid credit card. That's not a question, but I try to avoid credit card because when you get up into the thousands of dollars, credit card fees on that are outrageous. We stay pretty busy, so I got plenty of other projects coming at you, and that's Project Junkies, baby. That's how we do it. So do me a favor, like, subscribe if that's something that you're into, and we will catch you in the next one.